Man, another huge tech company hacked. Were you affected? So we use BitDefender. I get paid nothing by mentioning BitDefender. We happen to like them for several reasons. We use them for some firewalls. We use them for our anti-spam. Seems to be a great company. I've been using them for about a year and a half now. I dumped another company I was using. But if you have a Spotify account, you were affected. Apparently 300,000 or more Spotify customers had their usernames, passwords, personal information stolen. We've been talking about this for a long time. Our company does security. This is not what we do. This is just information for you. We've been doing security 21, almost 22 years now. I think June. Oh, this month. This is June. 22 years now. So you can trust us. I have nothing to gain by using BitDefender, but I want to make a suggestion. We have become way too comfortable with putting our information online. Have we already let the camel in the tent? Have we already opened Pandora's box? Are we too much engrossed in that? I'll leave it up to you, but I still have a bunch of CDs. My kids have gotten into vinyl. One of them just got a record player this week. There's other ways to enjoy multimedia. You can take CDs, you can put them in a computer that has a CD-ROM or attach a CD-ROM. You can load those things onto your, if you like iTunes, load it on your iTunes account. If you like Android, load it onto your Android account. There's been over 300 million breaches in the last couple of years. I can go down a list of a lot of companies that have had those breaches. AT&T's had those. T-Mobile has had those. Our security companies never had those, just so you know. Now Spotify. Most of us have had some type of notification, either on the news or something else, letting us know that you've been hacked. People, be real careful. I'm going to make two suggestions to you when it comes to security and when it comes to getting the online data and all the things that you want to use. First of all, in every single account you have, if it's, for goodness sakes, if it's your bank, right? If it's your bank, if it's Facebook, if it's Instagram, if it's TikTok, if it's anything that you log into from your phone or computer on a semi-regular or regular basis, put two-factor authentication on everything. No exceptions. I've had multiple friends that have had accounts lost, hacked, information stolen. Matter of fact, if you've had your information stolen, I'll put a link below to an identity theft link. Highly recommend getting identity theft, having your stuff watched. It's kind of like two-factor authentication for your life. I also recommend going to the 3 credit reporting agencies and freezing your information. That is, I'll put the link to the 3 reporting agencies below as well. It's not even a bad idea. I hate to, I get nothing from Credit Karma, right? Nothing at all. I don't know that Credit Karma is not such a bad idea. You don't get any hits on your credit record. If anybody knows how Credit Karma works, I'd like for you to put some information below. But Credit Karma does, when things get dinged, accounts get opened up, that's a soft way to watch your account as well. But people, please be smart. Online shopping, online buying, social media, all those things, put your information at risk. Maybe dial it back some. Maybe not so much luxury items. Maybe not the Spotify stuff. Put it somewhere where it's safe and secure. Try some vinyl. Try some CDs. Yes, I'm getting older. I think those things are great. Hey, do us a favor, would you? Like and subscribe. We're going to continue to bring you as good of information as we possibly can.